Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do this soft, nude, no foundation makeup look. So if you are interested how to do that, then keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm going to start off from the face makeup. I have moisturized my face and now I'm going to prime my face using the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. I'm applying the primer all over my face. Today I'm not using the foundation. Instead of foundation, I'm going to use today two concealers. First concealer is the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade 327 Cashmere, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on the inner corner. I'm going to blend it using my fingertips, and I'm blending it not only on the under eye area, but I'm blending it a little bit lower to my cheeks. I'm applying a little amount of concealer because this concealer is full coverage. I'm taking damp beauty blender and blending the concealer under my eyes once again to get rid of the excess concealer. To cover up my blemishes, I'm going to use the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige, and I'm applying it directly on my blemishes, and I'm blending that with my fingertips to warm up this product and to blend it easily. Also, I'm applying the Max Factor Pan Stick on my nose with tapping motions with my fingertips to hide the appearance of the pores. I'm working with tapping motions. Also, I'm applying the L'Oreal Paris Concealer on the same places where I applied the pan stick to cover the blemishes once again, but I'm also applying it only on the blemishes and I'm not applying it all over my face. I'm blending the concealer using my fingertips and damp beauty blender. Also, I'm applying the L'Oreal concealer on my cheeks to hide the appearance of the pores, and I'm blending it with the fingertips. I'm taking damp beauty blender and blending all this concealer on my face once again to make this makeup look more natural. Today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder in the shade 130 True Beige. I'm not applying it as everyone did on TikTok. I'm using only the brush and I'm applying it all over my face with tapping motions, and I'm taking a little amount of the foundation. I'm going to control the coverage of the foundation. I'm applying this foundation all over my face. Also, I'm applying a little bit of the foundation on my eyelids because today we are not using the eyeshadow at all. Alright, time for the eyebrows. First, I'm brushing all my hairs up with this spoolie. I'm using the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm applying it on my eyebrows and brushing my hairs up to make a fluffy, natural brow. I'm starting off from the outer corner of the brow and then I'm applying the gel on the inner corner. Then I'm taking the spoolie and brushing my brow hairs upwards once again to get rid of the excess brow gel. To make the color of my eyebrows more ashy, I'm applying the powder foundation on my eyebrows. I know it sounds crazy. You can skip this step. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown, and I'm drawing small strokes only where is necessary to make my eyebrow look full. I'm taking the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige and flat brush, and I'm carving up my eyebrows and doing the same thing on the other eyebrow. I'm using the Inglot Sculpting Powder in the shade 510. This is the coolest shade that they have. I'm applying a little amount of the contour under my cheekbones. I'm sculpting my nose very gently. I'm applying the sculpting powder on my forehead, on my jawline, and under the bottom lip to make my lips look fuller. For blush today, I'm going to use the Bourjois Paris blush in the shade 54 Frosted Rose, and I'm applying the blush on my cheekbones. To warm up my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline The City bronzer in the shade 250 Medium Warm, and I'm applying it on the same places where I applied the contour. I'm using a little amount of the bronzer. For mascara today, I'm going to use the Maybelline The Colossal Smoky Eyes Volume Express Mascara. I'm taking off the excess mascara from the wand, and I'm applying the mascara with one layer on the top and the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to show you one cool life hack. If your foundation or concealer covered your moles, you can apply your favorite brow pencil on your moles to make them more pigmented and to make your makeup look more natural. I'm taking the spoolie and brushing my eyelashes to get rid of the excess mascara. Before you use the spoolie, make sure that your mascara dries out completely. You can see the fallout of the mascara, but that's the point. This is the excess mascara that we don't need on the lashes. Alright guys, time for the lips, and first I'm going to prime my lips using the MAC Prep and Prime Lip Primer. Then I'm going to line my lips with nude pencil. This is NYX Sweet Lip Liner in the shade SMLL 31 Cans. I'm not doing any overlining. I'm going to line my lips only, and then I'm going to blend the lip liner on the inside of the lips. Then I'm using the Bourjois Paris matte liquid lipstick in the shade 10 Don't Pink of it. This is my natural lip shade, and I'm taking very small amount of the liquid lipstick on my fingertip, and I'm tapping it onto my lips and blending it while I'm applying it to make the lips look natural. Alright guys, time for the setting spray and highlighter. For setting spray today, I'm using the Diego Dalla Palma setting spray. After I applied the setting spray, I'm tapping the setting spray into my skin with the powder brush. Then I'm taking the fan brush and the MAC C18 Soft and Gentle Highlighter, and I'm applying the highlighter very gently on my cheeks, on my nose, on the tip of the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on my forehead, on the chin, and on the cupid's bow to make the skin look glowy. Alright guys, and that was the soft, nude 5-minute no foundation makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me, or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, that all is Ira Cloud, and see you in my next video. Bye!